is it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be showing you a little something about YouTube that some of you don't know about and some of you do. But I've been asked several times by people that contact me or send me private messages, direct messages, all that stuff. I've even been asked on Facebook because I've mentioned it and people are like, how do you do that? And what is that? Well, let's say that you've created this fantastic video of a family vacation, a trip, or a relative that's passed away or anything, and you've put it on YouTube, like in a family video or whatever type of setting, and you want to take it back off of YouTube, not remove it from YouTube, but you want to download it from YouTube and save it like on a disk or to your computer for future reference, and just because. Well, let me show you how to do that. Okay, all you got to do is open up your browser, go to YouTube. I mean, this is super simple, and I'll show you a couple of things while we're in here. But you wait on YouTube to open, and there's several ways that you can do it. All the professionals will tell you to go up here to your icon and click on that, right? And it brings up that, and you just go to and you click on Creator Studio, and it opens up this window right here. Okay, I don't like that window. There's a quicker way, so let me show you how to do that real quick. You got your main page, got your banner, your channel art and all that. If you look right here, it tells you your subscriber count, the amount of views you've had, and video manager. Click on video manager. Boom. Takes you right to it. Right there's all your videos, right? Well, let's just say for whatever reasons I want to save this video, okay? The My Face video. Let's just say I want to save that. Well, let's do a shorter one, 3 minutes 46 seconds. A little B-roll, okay? Well, if you look right beside the video, it says edit. I don't want to edit the video, but look a little further to the right. You have a down arrow. If you click on that, look what happens. Info and settings, enhancements, audio, in-screen, cards, subtitles, download MP4. Okay, that's what we want. We want to download it as an MP4 file. Click it one time, left click it, that is. It brings up this at the bottom. What do you want to do with a little B-roll video? Okay, open, save, or cancel. Well, let's just say I want to save it. Okay, click on save, and like that, it's already finished downloading. It's actually pretty quick. Well, I always save 99% of the time my videos to my downloads folder. It's just so much easier to find. Okay, so I click on my folder, downloads, a little B-roll right there. That's simple, that quick. Now let's verify it's there. There you go, it's there. No sense in watching it. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it because I don't want that in there. And I'm going to delete this one while I was in here too, because I put it in there for a video. Get it out while I'm thinking about it. But let me go back and show you a couple other things real quick. Now, if you noticed when I did that, we go back. Come on. Sometimes the computer's slow, sometimes it's fast. You got all your Creator Studio over here too. Dashboard, Video Manager, all that stuff. Live streaming, community. And you can get to community from here. And then this will be all the questions that people ask. And as you can see, I've got several I need to reply to. I'm going to do that after I finish this video. But I want to show you a quicker, easier way to get to it. So let's go back to our main screen. We don't use Video Manager. Now, if we click on the views, watch what happens. It takes you to your actual analytics. Boom. There's all your analytics. It tells you your top rated videos, the ones that's getting the most views this month in minutes. You can go over and check your playback locations, right? I mean, it's just all, you could do everything from this one place. So with that said, let me get you turned back around here and we'll end this video. Well, that's pretty much it. I mean, you can get to everything that quick just by those 3 things at the top. If you click on the other one that says subscribers, it'll show you all your subscribers that have their channel set up to where you can view who they are. I've got a lot that don't, but I've got a lot that do. I can check on them and see them just like that. Let me show you real quick. Go back. Click on your subscriber count, right? And it brings up all your subscribers. Go down, click on add more, and you can that quickly go to and find your subscribers and all that stuff. You can go to your analytics, you can go to your community, video manager, rather than going up to Creator Studio and clicking on all that other stuff. So I just thought, I would show you this video real quick, show you how to do this, because I've been asked, and some people actually don't know that you can do that. So I figured I'd go ahead and show you. So with that said, get out there and enjoy your car. I really appreciate each and every single one of you for stopping by to continue support. It's so greatly appreciated. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.